Alright. What's up, guys? Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled. And today I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So, you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna get this box popped. We're gonna explore all of its contents. We're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, an active noise cancellation test, and of course, a latency test. So sit back, relax, grab that popcorn. Let's have a little fun today, guys. Let's do it. Let's go right meow. Alright guys, so on the box on the outside, obviously here it says Galaxy Bud Pros. If we flip it over, it says two-way speakers for rich sound, active noise cancellation. You're gonna get 5 to 18 hours of playtime, and it is IPX7 rated. And that is for water, not for dust. These can be underwater for about 30 minutes. Hope that's right. All right guys, let's get into this box. I'm actually super excited for these. These are highly anticipated, a major upgrade from the Galaxy Bud Pluses or the Galaxy Beans. Boom, there they are. See that? So right away guys, this is a problem that a lot of Samsung Bud cases have. Almost holds on its own. If I do any movement at all, it automatically closes. That's cool. It is what it is, but it doesn't pass the lid test. Now, I like the overall size because these are gonna be extremely pocketable, and that's very important. I don't carry a bag, a lot of people do. I just wanna be able to put stuff right in my pocket and go. All right, what else do we have? Our USB Type-C cable, and I'm assuming these are the different ear tips. Let's see. In its own little tiny box. We have two different sizes. So we have small, medium, and large. I'm assuming the mediums are gonna be pre-installed. And that is it. That's what we have in the box. And let's do that initial feel, that initial test here. They feel snug, they feel good. They have a really great passive seal. I don't think that I'm actually going to need any changes to the ear tips, at least at this time. Let's go ahead and get these paired up. I'm gonna go ahead and open the Samsung Wear app. So put them in the case, take them out, put them in your ears, and hold for 3 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that. They're now in pairing mode. Should be able to get them set up. So guys, I wasn't able to pair them to my iPhone through the Wear app. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my OnePlus Pro 8 really fast. They paired through the Bluetooth settings, but not on the Wear app. That's what I want. Awesome guys. So, all right guys, so it does say that there is a new software version ready to download. So let's go ahead and get that downloaded and updated. All right guys, so we are now fully updated, and this is the settings screen that I have here. It's giving me an option with seamless earbud connection. Switching from earbud to one device to another just got easier. In some rare cases, may allow unknown devices to connect to your earbuds and control them. You can turn this off in the settings, so that gives you the option there to turn it off and on. The next section is the noise control, and as you can see, you can adjust it for ambient sound, so that way you can hear everything around you. You can go ahead and just turn it off and have that passive noise cancellation, or you can click on noise cancellation and really block the noises around you. And then it also gives you a high and low. You can kind of tweak it a little bit more to your liking. A little bit lower here, it has voice to text, so noise control and sound settings can go back to the previous state when your voice isn't detected for 10 seconds. With that, I believe, and you can put some comments down below, when it doesn't hear your voice talking or someone talking to you for like 10 seconds, it's gonna go ahead and put it back into active noise cancellation. Let's see, count to 10. And bada bing, it went ahead and it put the earbuds back into noise cancellation, which is kind of cool. So if somebody comes up, just walks up to you and wants to start talking to you, you'll be able to actually hear them. So that's a really, really nice feature. And then you have the ability to block the touches on the earbuds. And then you can also change the settings for your left and right earbud controls, as well as you have your equalizer. You know me, I gotta put that bass boost on, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's see, what do we got here in advance? Let's leave that alone. And that's it. So because I don't have a Samsung phone, there is no gaming mode in the settings. That's okay. What we're gonna do now, guys, is we're going to do an audio test. Let me grab our pal here, Ted. At this point, guys, what I need you to do is pause the video, go grab your headphones, put them on, go sit in a quiet room. That way we can listen together. I'm gonna put the earbuds into Ted here, play some tunes, and you'll be able to hear what I hear.
Nowadays, nothing really is ice. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinking, she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here, might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If you're down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I old producer saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinging, she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos. I keep giving game away. I put game on layaway. I got paid to play today. I get paid to stay away. I get paid on rainy days. I might make it rain today. I got paid off pain today. Thought it'd take the pain away. In my own lane, finger roll. I would never sell my only soul. Heard your whole team was for sale. Heard it's on the market for the low. Who the realest, we might never know. All this acting, you gon' play a role. Give you the world when they sign you up. Try you out and then they line you up. Ooh, now you're looking hungry, ribs are touching, need some food. Now you're all on live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out the way, it's been a day, now you're old news. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinging, she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blinging, she ice. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. Jeez, no, please, no photos.
I think these sound really good. The bass hits super hard, the highs are clear and crisp, and the mids are definitely smooth, milky. But here's the thing, I don't think these are the best that I've ever heard. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, hit that bell. That way you'll get notified of my future comparison videos. Those are gonna be coming soon. But overall, they were very enjoyable. Everything sounded really nice. I was able to hear all the instruments while listening to the track. What'd you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. All right, guys, it is now mic test time. This is the sound of my voice with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Let me go ahead and introduce some ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro with ambient noise running in the background. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. All right, guys, it is now time for the active noise cancellation test. Let's get Ted back into the picture over here. Need all my tools. How can you do an active noise cancellation test without your Dyson vac? So right now, I am talking to you in the passive mode, right? Nothing is turned on, all the features are turned off. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and turn on ambient mode. You should start to hear a difference. You should be able to hear a lot more noises happening. You should hear my voice a lot clearer. Let's go ahead and switch active noise cancellation on. So now that active noise cancellation is on, a lot of the noises should be blocked out, more muffled. You should be able to hear my voice a little bit, but it should be very faint and distant in the background. So what I'm gonna do, guys, now is go ahead and turn that off. I'm gonna go ahead and start the ambient noise in the background. Now we have the ambient noise running in the background. I'm gonna go ahead and turn ambient sound mode on. So now you should hear everything a lot clearer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn on active noise cancellation. So now everything should be a lot more muffled. And let's go ahead and again, turn everything off. And this is what it would be with the vacuum running in the background with it off. with ambient sound mode on. And then again, with active noise cancellation mode, and this is in the highest setting, this is on high. That's what it should sound like. Did the earbuds do a good job? What do you think? Let me know down in the comments. You know where I like them, down there. Well, that's the only place you can put them. Hey, that's that. Let's do a latency test. I'm gonna do an iOS and Android test. Now, when I switch this over to the Android, there is no gaming mode because I don't have a Samsung device. On the Samsung devices, it does give you a gaming mode, so the latency would be a little bit lower. But up first is going to be the iOS, and it is going to be on an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and on the Android side, it's gonna be a OnePlus 8 Pro. All right, here we go, guys, on the iPhone. All right, and now let's switch over to the Android device. All right, guys, so here we go on my OnePlus 8 Pro. Wow, there was definitely a major delay. I could actually see when I pushed the button and hear it was like a half a beat before any sound emitted from the earbuds. It was actually a lot. There's a big delay. Now, you can't usually always tell, but I could definitely tell on the Android device. Again, on a Samsung phone, it's probably gonna be much, much better. All right, guys, so that is what I have for you today. If you like this video, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.